Hello everybody, this is Theo Malosis, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to use the broadcast feature of the OMS, the OGI marketing system. The broadcast, also known as a newsletter, is an email that we want to send to our contacts, to our prospects, and this can be about a seminar, a webinar, a promotion, anything that we might want to send immediately an email to. So let's see how this is done. We're logged in into our back office of OMS and we go to My Mail Broadcasts. In order to create a new message, we click on Create a Broadcast Message. We choose the broadcast name, let's say Webinar. And when we choose the email account from which we want to send the email, this can be set up in my account, my email addresses, and there's a separate video about that. Then we can choose the subject. And then we can write our message. Let me use this text as message, and then we can format the text as we wish. Change colors, change words or phrases into links by using this button. And let's say I want to send my prospects to this page. And don't worry if this is all Greek to you, it's also Greek to me. We paste the URL, and now this word has become a link. We can also insert pictures by clicking the appropriate image, and we can use either pictures that we've already uploaded to the OMS server, or we can choose to upload a picture at the very time from our computer. We can choose the size, the alignment. Oops, sorry about that. Click OK, and we can also change the background color. Then all we have to do is click on Create Broadcast Message, and OMS takes us back to the list of all the broadcasts we've created. From this list, we can choose to delete a broadcast message. We can choose to rename it. We can choose to edit it, change all the information about it. And if we click Send, we have the option to choose the pages or the contact lists with the prospects to which we want to send the message. We can also schedule when we want to send the message, which can be now, or it can be at a specific day and time. For the moment, I'm just going to go back, so I won't send the broadcast right now. We can also go to the statistics and watch the statistics of the specific message. So let's say we want to go to this broadcast. Click Statistics, and then OMS shows us full statistics of the broadcast. So we can see who opened the email, the specific time they opened it, whether they clicked on the link, and the specific time they clicked on the link. We can choose to edit the information on the specific prospect, and we can also choose to see how the prospect responded to all the emails they received. Another important feature of a broadcast is that when we use an autoresponder, and for this video let me choose this one, we can go and watch the statistics of a specific autoresponder. I'm going to choose the first one. And then, depending on how the prospects responded to the email, we can choose to send a broadcast to people who opened our email, to people who didn't open, to people who clicked on it or who didn't click to it, or we can even delete contacts who haven't opened the message if we choose that we decide that we don't want to bother them anymore. So this is all about broadcasts on OMS. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, Malosis Plan B, and I'll be happy to see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.